What is up, y'all? Alden Massey back here with another video. Today we're doing an alternator swap on the FG4. Woke up this morning and zero power in the car. Absolutely nothing. No door chimes, no nothing, right? Supposedly the battery was all right, but I got a new one anyway, so it's sitting over there. But we're gonna swap out this alternator. This is the first time I'm digging into this car, doing some real stuff. I've only just done suspension besides that. So it's a new one for me. K24 Z7. 2013, 2012 to 2015 Civic Si's. Let's make it happen. All right, so the first plan of action is going to be loosening the tensioner, and then after that, taking off the idler bracket here and getting the belt off. And then supposedly there's 3 bolts for the alternator. I think it's this one here and then 2 underneath. The 2 underneath are going to be an absolute whipping, as you can see. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I'll keep it simple like that. Take off the negative on the battery and get cracking at that. All right, so got the idler off and I got the top bolt with the alternator off. I can feel the bottom 2 underneath. The bottom 2 are like that underneath it. I can feel them, so I'm gonna see if I can try and get around this AC line. See if I can show you on cam. All right. Check it. See them right there? There's one, and there's one literally right next door. Oh, kind of see in the corner. We'll see. See if I can reach that with the handy dandy ratchet. Hey, I got it, bro. All right, y'all, pull out game strong. I ended up having to take off this tensioner pulley here. There's a back hidden bolt back here. Sorry. There's a hidden bolt back here. There's one up here, and then I got the one out the middle. And then I was able to come off, and then the alternator easily came out of there. I was trying to loosen the ABS and stuff, and it wasn't enough room. This AC line is a mother, I tell you that. But once you get this off, you'll have literally no problem. Progress, so you can see what it looks like down here. There's the 3 alternator bolts there. Cool, now it's just the reverse effect, I guess. Look at that. That was quite a bit. All right, y'all, so we got it finished up. Look at that baby shining down there. I'm gonna give you a rundown real quick of what I had to do. So first, you'll take the belt off by loosening it with the tensioner. And then once you got that off, you'll take off this bolt, to take off the idler. And then once you do that, I had to take off this pulley here as well. And then on this back side around the corner here, just right where I'm pointing, there's a bolt. And also another one. Where is it? I don't think I can see it right here, but there's another bolt holding on this whole bracketry here for the tensioner. You're going to take the whole tensioner bracket off, okay? Because you're not going to be able to get it out of the way without. Then after that, you'll have the 3 alternator bolts, this one, and then the 2 more underneath. And yeah, I did a lot of other funky stuff because obviously I didn't know what I was doing. But there's the short version for you. It's pretty easy besides the 3 hours of what I just played with, but yeah. And everything looks good. Everything is chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and start her up, see if she rips. One more step. Oh yeah, I probably want to put the battery. Batteries help, don't they? All right, y'all. Successful alternator swap. Like I said, it took me 3 hours because I was trying to figure it out as I went. If you did what I did on that overview I just showed, you'll definitely get that done pretty freaking fast. I think probably an easy hour and a half. Like, Easy. That's what I was guessing before, but I didn't know anything. So if I did it again, I'd get that shit done in an hour and a half. So hopefully that helped out. Hopefully I filmed enough for you. It's kind of weird. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. I got more stuff on this. And I'll see you in the next one.